Hey folks, Sheila here from Design Files. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up online design packages within your Design Files account. So if you love the idea of having a simpler business model where you're just going to have a flat rate fee and set deliverables that you're going to offer up to your client, then keep watching. This video is for you. And if you're a full service interior designer and you love the idea of expanding your services to offer some online options, some set kind of flat rate packages, then this video is also for you. But either way, in order to set up your online packages and direct customers in to purchase them, the first thing that we need to do is set up your online payments. So to do that, you would come up here to the top right-hand corner of the screen and you're going to go into your account settings. In your account settings, you're going to see that there's a payment option. So you're going to click into that, and then that's going to bring you to this view. Now, if you want your clients to be able to pay for your online design packages with a credit card, then you need to connect to Stripe. So Stripe is the payment processor that we're using. And basically you would click this button here. Yours is going to say connect to Stripe. It will take you over to Stripe where you can set up your account and basically enable these online payments. And if you already have a Stripe account, then you can just click the button, click the option to log into your Stripe account, and you'll see that there's an option where you need to connect your Stripe account to your Design Files account. Just follow the steps, and once you are set up, it'll bring you back to this view where you're going to see that at the top of your page, you can then go into your packages option here. So once the online payments are set up, then we can start adding in all of the design packages that you want. Click into packages. It's going to take you to this templated view where you can basically customize the entire page to your business and the services that you offer. So you can go ahead and you can add in your own headlines and subheadlines to this page. You can change out the main header image by clicking this option right here. You can add in any branded images that you want. Here you can also include a short description about your business and your services and what you're offering with your design packages. And below that, you'll see that you can start adding in all of your design packages as well. Now, when you're adding in your design packages, let me just scroll to the bottom of the page here. You can add as many as you like. All you got to do is click this link right here to add an additional package. And when you click that, it's going to open up a blank template that you can basically customize and fill in. Now, I'd probably recommend to stick with maybe 2 to 4 packages max. If you go beyond that, it can kind of create a little bit of paralysis by analysis for your clients, and then they're really just not sure which package they should be selecting. So keep it simple and then have very clear and defined differences between your packages so your clients understand which one is going to be the best fit for the services that they need. But basically, this is what your blank template is going to look like. So you do have the option to select an image and then you can fill in all the details. And you can either choose to fill in images like this, where it's kind of a mood board, if you're indicating to your client this is the type of design they can expect, or if it's more of a full room design, or you can just do something that's completely branded. You can give each of your design packages a name. You're going to set the price for each package. And then you're also going to apply the tax rate. And if you haven't added any tax rates in yet, you'll see that you have the option to do that. So just go ahead and add in a sales tax, and then you'll be able to select it from the list. Now, you can include a simple description for your package. So if you just want to give the client a sense for who this package is the perfect fit for and what it includes, you can do that. And down here, this is where you're going to clearly define all of those deliverables that are going to be included in this package. So if a client is going to pay for this package, what you want to list here is everything that they can expect to receive from you after they've purchased the package. Below that, you can also decide how many rooms are going to be included within this package. Now, if this is going to be a case where you're doing $950 for one room design, then you want to turn this toggle on where it says charge per room. So that means that if a client purchases this package and they say that they want help with their living room, their dining room, and their bedroom, they're going to pay $950 for each of those rooms. Or if you want to include, let's say this is going to be a multi-room package and you're actually going to include 2 rooms at that $950 rate, then you would turn this toggle off and you would specify how many rooms are going to be included within this package. Now, I'm going to leave it as a charge per room. You can also choose to define which rooms your clients can request from you. So if there are specific rooms that you just don't want to design, like maybe you're not into designing kitchens, you can uncheck kitchens from the list so that your client can only select from the available options. So it's just something to keep in mind. And quite honestly, if you do kitchen and bath designs and you want to offer those up, I would probably recommend setting up a very specific package for kitchens or for bathroom designs, just because there's going to be different elements that you're going to need to account for. So it might be better to set that up as a separate package. Below that, you also have the ability to include a questionnaire with your design package, which is great because it means that once your client has purchased this package, the next step, if you choose to include a questionnaire, is that once they add in all their credit card details and they pay for this package, the system will then jump them directly into the questionnaire where they can provide you with all the project-specific details. So it streamlines the whole process and it really ensures that you get all the information you need to move forward on this project. And within your DesignFiles account, it actually comes with multiple design questionnaires. So you can choose which questionnaire template is best suited for the package. You can even customize them or you can use them as is. But any questionnaires that you add in your account, they're going to show here, and you would just select the one that's appropriate for that package. Below that, you also have the ability to set up discounts. So if you love the idea of running promotional options or promo rates throughout the year just to drive in more clients, then you can choose to set up discounts for your packages. And if that's something that you'd like to do, go over to your Learn section within your DesignFiles account, go into Videos and Webinars. In Videos and Webinars, in our video tutorial page, you're going to scroll down to Billing, Payments, and Packages. And in here, you're going to see that there is a video that will walk you through offering package discounts. So click that. It's going to give you this video, and it'll show you step by step how to set up your promotional rates, how to turn on the day where you're going to apply those rates, how to stop it on specific dates. So you can really set up promos throughout the year to drive your business forward. Now, the other thing that you can do here with your design packages is right here, if you love the idea of not necessarily directing your client back to your DesignFiles account to browse all your packages, but you'd rather have your packages on your website and allow your client to pay for the packages there, then you can actually use this link here to connect your packages to your website. So that means if you've got a page on your website where you are listing all your packages, you would add this link to the specific package. And that means that your client would then click on that link and they'll just jump straight into the payment step. They won't be redirected back to your DesignFiles account. So it'll feel as if they're checking out through your website. And again, if you are interested in setting this up and allowing clients to purchase through your website, go back to the video tutorial page. Make sure you come down here to Billing, Payments, and Packages. And there is a detailed video that will walk you through how to sell design packages on your site. So watch this video right here. Okay, let's come back to the packages page. So if you do want to direct your client back to your packages page, for instance, if you don't have a website or if you just really like the overall clean layout of this page, then here you'll be able to preview what your packages page is going to look like once you have everything set up. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So your logo will show, you're going to see that you have the option to include your phone number. So if you want to include it, you can. This is what your main headline is going to look like and your background image. And of course you can customize that. And then your client will see all the packages that you've listed. They'll be able to choose a package. They can jump right down here to select the room that they want help with. They'll be able to proceed to the payment. And once they fill out these payment details, it'll jump them straight into the questionnaire where they can fill out all of the questions and provide all of that project-specific details to you. So that's the flow that your client would take if you're directing them to this page. So now what we need to do is get that link so that we can direct them to this page. So I'm going to close out here. I'm going to exit out of the preview. The first thing I want to do is just make sure that I've saved all my design packages. So whenever you've made any changes, just make sure you save your design packages. And then you can cancel out of this page. So now I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and cancel out. And if I want to grab a link that I can share with my clients to direct them to that page, I'm just going to pop in here where it says invite clients. What you want to do is make sure that you are on the packages page. And if this is showing as selected, you've got your options here. So if I have been speaking with a client that's ready to move forward and they just want to go ahead and purchase a package, I can copy this link, add it into an email, shoot that right out to my client, and then they'll be able to click on that link and they can go ahead and purchase any packages. I also have the option here to promote my design packages by email. So if this is a new service that you're offering, or if you created brand new design packages that you want to share with your full client list, you can import your client contact list here, and then you can send out promotional emails where you can let everybody know about your latest packages, and this email is completely customizable as well. You can edit all of it. Aside from that, you also have additional options for promoting your services. So let's just go back into the invite clients. You can choose to promote your packages page on your Facebook page. There's even a widget that you can add to your website. So there's lots of ways that you can start promoting your design services that you're offering. And hopefully this video has given you an idea of how to set up your online packages or on your online payments, how to customize your packages page, how to direct clients to that page, and even also how to go ahead and connect your packages to your website so you can have clients purchase directly there. Of course, if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to us on the live chat. We are always available to help. Thanks for watching.